Hey guys, I'm Robyn from GrillGirl.com, and today we're going on a trip to the islands with my coconut shrimp and grilled pineapple dish made on the Daniel Boone Green Mountain Grill. This dish is exploding in flavor. Combine the rice, coconut milk, sugar, salt, and water, bring to a boil, then cover and let simmer on low until the liquid is absorbed. Go ahead and start your Green Mountain Grill, getting it up to a temp of 400 degrees. Throw on the red peppers, pineapple, green onions, and coconut. Let the veggies cook until they develop nice char marks. Use the Green Mountain grill mat for the shrimp, and they can go on a few minutes later as they will cook faster than the veggies. The coconut should turn a golden brown color when it is toasted. Remove the shrimp as soon as they turn pink so you don't overcook them. Next, you want to prepare your sauce. Combine the coconut cream from the coconut milk plus a little extra liquid milk, and then combine that with the ginger, curry, sea salt, and sriracha. Toss the shrimp in the marinade and then put them on a plate and coat them in the toasted coconut. Chop the veggies into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, put the rice on a large platter. Add the chopped veggies and pineapple, and then add the shrimp on top. Drizzle a little marinade on top for extra flavor, and then serve with the grilled limes for presentation. This dish is going to make you really popular with your friends and family. I'll see you guys on my next video.